Hello friends, myself Haranraj and I am pursuing BTech third year in the College of the Nekla Institute of Engineering and Technology in the CS system. And today let us see the topic of unemployment in India for engineers. See friends, nowadays we see there is a lot of unemployment crises are faced by Indian citizens. As per the information we have, there are 80% of the people who are getting unemployed in India, and only 20% of the people are getting employment in India. First of all, let us see how many people are joining in engineering stream and getting finishing their engineering successfully, and how many of them are getting jobs. Okay, first of all let us see how many colleges in India. Here we have total is 6,214 engineering institutions in India. Okay, out of in these 6,214 institutions, the 2.9 million students are getting enrolled. How many? 2.9 million of students are getting enrolled for engineering, and out of this 2.9 million applications, only 1.5 million students are getting released into the market. Means they are successfully completing their engineering and coming to the market. Means they are coming out of the colleges for search of jobs and to get the jobs. Okay, and see friends, this is every year statistics. Okay, out of 6,214 there are 2.9 million enrollments are going on, and out of those 2.9 million, only 1.5 million are getting graduated every year. What? Every year. Okay, so means there are only 20% are getting employment, and remaining 80% are not getting employment. Okay, so in order to avoid this job crisis, it is better to not select CSE, ECE, EEE, civil, mechanical, etc. and IT, like these streams. So what stream should we select in order to get a good job? We should be somewhat different from others. There are many students, there are around 2 million students getting enrolled into engineering. Out of this 2.9 million, how can we get the job so easily? So in order to get the job very easily, we have to choose a different, we should be somewhat unique. In order to be unique, we can select, we are having some streams like first tech in robotics. As our future is going to run based on robots only. Okay, as every company, even software companies, hotels, and shopping complexes and markets, each and every field is using robots for efficient performance and to complete their work in an efficient budget. Okay, there should be no they think every company will think there should be less budget and more output. So in order to perform that, they are going for the concept of robots. Okay, they are seeking for the robots work. So in order to develop a robot, can't develop another robot without human intervention. It is impossible to develop a robot, because in order to check whether the robot is performing its operations well or not, a human is required. So we should get into the stream of tech in robots and mechatronics. It is a combination of mechanical and electronics. Third one, nanotechnology. See friends, this is the most important step among all the stems. Okay, I suggest to choose this technology because everything is getting nano sized. See, at the first, IBM company has introduced um, a device, a storage device, which is which is more larger than a human size. Okay, it is very heavy weight, heavy size, etc. And its storage capacity is 5 MB. And later on, now we can see a small memory cards. In that we can store 2 terabytes, 1 terabyte of data likewise. Okay, so everything is getting nano sized. So we should I suggest to take a nanotechnology stream. Okay, then it would be better. And genetic engineering. What? Genetic engineering and environmental engineering. As the pollution and everything is increasing, the soil is getting polluted and the farming is getting reduced and food sources are getting reduced. So if you go into the environmental engineering, then it would be better for you to have a better future, because majority of the member will seek the CSE, ECE, triple E, mechanical, civil, and nowadays IT also. Majority of the students will seek for these streams. Instead of these streams, if you seek these streams, it would be better. There are many more. There might be many more streams in the engineering stream. There may be like tech in robotics, mechatronics, nanotechnology, genetic engineering, environmental engineering. Like this, there are many streams. You can choose those for a better future. Okay, thank you.